morning and welcome to another cleaning motivational video. We are doing a power hour clean with me today, and it's just basically my daily cleaning. My daily cleaning, and so I would hope that you have a room or your daily cleaning as well that needs a bit of cleaning. No, I would hope that you have a room that you need to clean as well, or your daily cleaning, and so that we can clean along, right? That we can clean so that it's not just you watching me, but it is basically a group effort. We cleaning together. So you can pop me on a screen and watch me as clean with me as I am cleaning. I just started off with a load of laundry. Because it is never ending, and if I do a load of laundry every other day, maybe every second day, it helps me to basically keep up with it, and it's not overwhelming if I do it that way. And then after, I just went into my bedroom, just tidied, made up my bed, tidied my room. And so I don't know, guys, but I feel like I've been decluttering so much and cleaning so much, so this is not really a deep cleaning video, but it is just me doing the little bits daily, taking it step by step, day by day, and not overwhelming myself. I have been on this decluttering journey. I've been doing so much decluttering off camera, and I must say it is so satisfying because I really want to work on my space again this year. I want to work on my homemaking again so much this year, so that I can just be at peace. And it's not even about the materialistic things or wanting a space that is perfectly decorated or whatever, but it is just me being happy with the space that I'm in, because I am a homebody, I am a homemaker, I am in my home most of the time, so I need it to be, just comfortable for me and my family. And so I just feel like saying that because I know on the internet you see all these beautiful houses, and I have been also struggling so much with just comparison, and I am just on a journey to be content. And so I just decided to do a quick clean with me, because as I'm saying, I am decluttering, but on this particular day I didn't have a lot to do, so I just did my daily cleaning as I'm taking it slow, one space at a time, and decluttering as I'm going. I'm not in a rush, I'm just taking it one space at a time, literally taking out and getting rid of everything that I feel that does not serve me or my family, right? And so I'm just wiping down my old counters. I don't know, I really just feel like giving every single space in my home of a different vibe, and I just want it to be calm and very clean. It's quite difficult with having 4 kids to have a space clean all the time, but I must say I'm doing a pretty good job for a mama of 4. it is important for you to know that your house has to work for you and not turning it into what you see everyone else is doing. Even within my house being so big and so like kind of cold, I still enjoy that it is just minimal. It is so clean. Cleaning is so easy to do because I don't have a lot of things, and I like it that way. I just want to zhuzh it up a bit, not even a lot, but I just want to make some changes here and there. But me saying this is, we don't have to do a lot for our homes to stand out. You have to do what works for you, basically. And so I just move on to the living space, open the window so that they can come, so we can have some fresh air. And I clean this mirror in every single cleaning video because it does not stay clean. Tyrese literally stand on that couch every single day and he does his thing, and there's fingerprints all over that mirror every single day. So that is basically part of my daily routine with cleaning. Just like the laundry never ends, this mirror never stays clean. And so I just cleaned that mirror, dust off the couch, and then moved over to the fireplace, just giving it a little quick clean. It was not really bad, but I just like to but whenever you clean and you just touch on every single space, it just feels like the space is so super tidy and calming. I think the thing that I love most about cleaning is the calm after, even if it's just for that few hours before they mess it up again. As I was decluttering, I ended up hanging my photo frames again, and as you can see, the three frames does not have any pictures in them. I want to print out different pictures and just to give it that, to bring some warmth. I do really want black frames, but for now those ones will work. And so I just wiped down the table, and immediately, guys, I didn't even mop because my floors was quite clean. My husband loves sweeping, and he swept in the morning before I cleaned, and then I just swept again because I made a little bit of a mess when I was cleaning the fireplace. But the clean was so tidy and so peaceful. We're just doing the little bit of tidying and doing the dishes and wiping down surfaces. I truly believe that the little bit of tidying, the little bit of cleaning daily helps. It helps to keep our spaces clean. So deep cleaning is important, but the little bit every single day helps keep the space quite clean. The weather just literally changed out of nowhere and it started to rain, so I was grateful and very glad I was very happy that I did do one load of laundry, and it was dried. I think there was like 2 pieces that was not dried completely, but I was so happy with what I got done for the day. And the house was nice and tidy. I didn't have any laundry to do after this load, and it just felt like things are coming together slowly but surely. And that is why I always say we don't have to have to buy things and to make our house feel fresh. We just have to clean it. We just have to stay on top of things, and buying things, having makeovers or refreshing our spaces is just the bonus, and it's just the things that helps our homes feel like our homes, I don't know if it makes sense, but I don't feel like we have to spend a lot of money on making our house feel like home. That is just for the daily cleaning and maintenance of our homes. So anyway, guys, thank you for being here with me. I hope that you got something done as well. I hope that you went into that space, that room that needed some love and attention. Thank you for spending time with me. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Stay blessed and stay safe.